Good day to all. I am Yuganeshwaran, son of Dhirenathan. Matrix number U2003346. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys about an issue which is related to law and COVID-19. The issue that I'm gonna talk about you guys right now, which is about Malaysians who are flaunting the SOPs which is allocated by the Ministry of Health in Malaysia, which is KKM. KKM is already allocated some kind of SOPs to reduce the number of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia, where it's already started increasing by the February itself. The COVID-19 pandemic have started since February and still didn't finish yet. However, the government thinks we should control the pandemic first before we plan to stop it. So, when government realized that the COVID-19 cases were increasing from day to day start from the February, the Health Ministry of Malaysia have put some SOPs for people to follow in order to control the COVID-19 cases and also to control the spread of coronavirus. And it seems that people didn't really aware of the situation and not even follow the SOPs given. So the Health Ministry of Malaysia have proposed that a law should be implemented in order to keep people aware of this situation and also to keep people follow the SOP. So according to the Prevention of and Control of Infections Disease Act 1988 in bracket Act 342, KKM proposed that a fine of 1,000 ringgit should give to the people who are flaunting the SOPs. At the beginning of this law implemented, it seems okay because most of the people follow the law. But when the COVID-19 cases start to reduce, the issue then started. When the people start to not aware of this situation and they just take it easy of this situation as they think the COVID-19 just finished but actually didn't. So they start to not follow the SOP and so on. But the law is still there, and so the amount of people fined is increasing day by day. And because of people's misbehavior or misassumption of this COVID-19 pandemic, and they didn't follow the SOP, and this causes the second wave of COVID-19 in Malaysia occurs. So I think we should follow the SOP, although the case get increased or decreased, but we should follow the SOP. For example, wear mask, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, stay at home, and so on, in order to keep ourselves protected and also keep other people protected. This is not only involve ourselves, but it involves a society. We should keep ourselves aware, keep ourselves responsible in order to reduce this COVID-19 pandemic. So, I hope you guys already understand what I just explained to you guys before, and I hope you guys will start to follow the SOPs in order to reduce the COVID-19 cases. Because if we want to change something, it should be started from us. So, follow the SOP and save ourselves. Hashtag we save ourselves. Hashtag kita jaga kita. Signing off, Yuganeshwaran.